Have you ever seen someone flap their hands, bounce their leg, or repeat a sound over and over? That's called steaming, short for self-stimulatory behavior. And here's something surprising, everyone steams, but for autistic people, it plays a much bigger role. Steaming is the body's natural way of regulating the brain. It can look like rocking, tapping, humming, or spinning an object. Think of it as the brain saying, "I need to reset," and the body responding with movement. Autistic people often experience the world differently. Sounds can be louder, lights brighter, textures more intense. Steaming helps create calm, focus, and comfort during these moments. It can release tension, block out overwhelming sensory input, or even express joy and excitement. Science shows that steaming can lower stress, improve focus, and help emotional balance. It isn't a bad habit or something strange. It's a healthy coping tool backed by research. Unfortunately, many people think steaming should be stopped. But suppressing it can cause anxiety, exhaustion, and burnout. Supporting steaming instead helps autistic people feel safe and understood. So next time you see someone steaming, remember this. It's not weird. It's not wrong. For many autistic people, steaming isn't a problem. It's their solution. Understanding autism starts with understanding steaming.